Now let's go for meditation technique. This is one technique from Tibetan Buddhism. Very powerful technique. They call it in Buddhism Mahamantra. This technique is called as Mahamantra. It's a very simple technique to rejuvenate yourself and to clear your inner space. Mainly this technique is aiming towards maintaining the quality of your inner space. Naturally, when you maintain the quality of your inner space, you heal your body and mind. Disease is nothing but the disturbed inner space. This meditation technique helps you to maintain your inner space. Let me explain the technique. It's 4-step. 4-step. First thing, sitting straight. You can sit in the sofa or in the chair, no problem. If you can, sit on the floor if you feel comfortable. Otherwise you can sit on the chair, no problem. But you need to sit straight. Head, neck and backbone should be in a straight line. That's the first instruction. Let me finish all the instruction, then you can do. Second, closing the eyes. When I say closing the eyes, I don't mean just closing the eyelids. I mean something more than closing eyelids. Usually, when you close your eyes, when you open your eyes, you will see all these scenes. When you close your eyes, you will be seeing all these things in your inner space. Now you need to disconnect yourself. You need to disconnect the outward memory. You need to separate yourself from this outer world. You need to clean your inner space. How to do it? When you close your eyes, just tense your eyeballs. Just tense your eyeballs for 60 seconds, not more than that. Please don't tense more than 60 seconds. Just for 60 seconds, if you can just tense it, create little pressure on the eyeballs. Naturally, you will see the inside visualizations will come down. The movement of pictures in your inner space will come down. It's the second step. Third step, humming as deeply as possible, as loudly as possible, and as lengthily as possible. Let me do it and show. Just fill your whole inner space with humming, with this vibration. Don't allow any other thought to come in your inner space except this vibration. For 20 minutes, continuously hum. Usually, our mind or body will not allow you to meditate. Meditation and mind, both are like Indian mother-in-law and daughter-in-law. They can't stay together whatever you try to do. Try your best. It is rare exemptions. Stay together happily. It is very rare. So mind and meditation are just like Indian mother-in-law, daughter-in-law. Because both try to possess the same person. She wants son and she wants husband. Both wants the same person. Same way the mind also wants your being, meditation also wants your being. They can't stay together. Your mind will try its best to say, no, tomorrow we can do. After some time, even if I don't hum, who is going to know? After all, the whole crowd is humming. These are the usual thoughts our mind will create. Please don't listen to the mind just for 20 minutes. Do it intensely. You can see the experience. You can see the experience. Fourth instruction, Just sit silently for 10 minutes and relax. 4 instructions. Let me repeat. Sitting straight, closing the eyes, humming 20 minutes, filling your whole inner space with this humming for 20 minutes and 10 minutes silent sitting. Anybody has got heart problem or anybody underwent any surgery in last 6 months? Please don't do this. Just relax and sit. Don't do this meditation. All other people do it as intensely as possible.